Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Tab One, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So, to get started, let's open up our settings. And in here, we're just gonna scroll all the way down to General Settings. Next, I'm gonna swipe down right here to Reset Options. And then you want to select Erase All Data, Factory Reset. When you do, it might take a moment, but it will basically load up every kind of application that will be removed with the account. And one of the most important things in here will be the info right here. So that's everything that will be deleted. Now, the most crucial parts of this will be things like music, photos, and all user data. If you have anything that you'd like to maintain, contacts, music, photos, videos, anything like that, then I recommend making a backup copy of those before you go any further. Now, you can do so by just connecting this device to your computer using a cable and then moving over all the data that you want to maintain. And that's one of the ways. Another one would be through a cloud backup, but I never recommend doing a cloud backup, especially nowadays where companies are trying to utilize all the data for training AI models. I never could recommend more doing it personally rather than using cloud backup more than like right now. So the reason I recommend doing it to your own computer is because you have full control over that data. No one else has access to it. Another thing is, in Europe, there is a law that basically prohibits companies from keeping personal data for extended period of time. Now, that extended period, I believe, is 2 or 3 years, assuming this data doesn't get utilized by you. In that time, this will be then removed. So if you create a backup and you need it like in 2 years, well, tough shit, it's no longer in existence. Now, what is even crappier with this is the fact that when you do this, your data gets removed, but then the AI that was used to learn from your personal data, well, it still has that data. You just don't have access to it because, I mean, let's be honest, AI never forgets. So I just find this kind of problematic. I dislike the creepy aspect of it, and I am also a firm believer that shit, if a company wants my data, they can effing pay for it like everyone else does for them. My data ain't for free, so get in line. So that's just my kind of approach to it. And generally, it's just primarily if I have photos and stuff like that, I do want to make sure that they're private. It's just my approach to it, and that's what I like, and that's what I would be doing. But anyway, continuing on, we can select Erase All Data. Now, if you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it right here. And here we have just another confirmation, Erase All Data. All of your personal information and downloaded apps will be deleted. You cannot undo this action. Let's click on Erase All Data. And this will now begin factory resetting the device. Now, this will probably take about 2 minutes to finish up. And once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.